This Millennial Realty property video is presented by Rubzin. Must see newly updated. This 3-bedroom/1-bath cottage has been freshly painted, new flooring throughout, new stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops in the kitchen and bathroom. A new roof has been installed as well as a new HVAC and furnace. The basement is unfinished but lots of room. There is a detached 2-car garage. This will not last long. Don't miss out. For more information, review the details below.